Hey guys, this is it! The new allotment. We are in the middle of a typhoon. There's not much I can do about the weather because it's going to be like this for the whole of the week. So we are down to measure up, check out what's going on, and to dump off some compost and some mulch that I'm going to hope to get on the garden before I start putting in my plants. But this is it, our new spot. And a frog. Ooh, he's fast. Okay, here it is, the new spot. We have to pull this out. Although it looks to be peppers, so I might just leave them in. And that looks like sweet potato that they've just left in, so I need to clear this out. This is the surrounding ones. It's a little more wild than the last place. This is just an old lady who lets people use her garden land. Okay, so I've just measured up, and the garden is 6.6 meters by 6 meters, which is bigger than I thought it would be. And it's already kind of had where they were growing, the last person was growing here, and these seem to be 1 meter wide with 30 centimeter, here comes the rain again, 1 meter wide by 30 centimeter walking rows, which is perfect. So I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 meter rows in here, which is so much bigger than the last garden. Yes. So whoever used this last has obviously been growing through plastic, and you can see that although some of it's been pulled up, there is still some in there. But other than that, I mean, the rows are marked out, they're slightly built up already, and the weeds don't seem to be too bad. So once I get this stuff out, if I'm going to take it out, I might just leave it there for the rest of the season. I need to make up my plan and see what I'm going to put where. But it doesn't look like it's actually going to take too much to get this place up and ready to get my plants in. Now if you look around, you can see this is definitely more weedy than my last place, so I think possibly trying to stop the weeds coming into the garden is going to be a bit of an effort, but to start with, it's looking okay. Oh my god, this rain. It has been raining for days and massive typhoony rain, so it does look to be quite flooded in places, which isn't great for planting into. So I'm hoping to get some once the rain stops, I'll put the new soil on and some compost on, but I can't really plant anything into soil that is this wet. Don't know if you can see, Key has just pulled up in the car and we have all the soil and stuff up on the roof. This is about to get very wet and messy to try and get all that off and here. The best thing about this new plot is this, water. And not that I need it today, obviously, but this is water on a long hose that will stretch over to my garden, and this is straight from the well as well, so it's not chlorinated. It's nice fresh water to be putting on the plants. And I'm hoping that this is going to be a game changer to stop the garden getting quite so crispy and just a bit crap in the summertime when it gets really hot. So yeah, yes, proper water. Good about it. What are you doing? There's still stuff on the roof. Okay, we have everything here and ready, but there's nothing I can do in this rain. That is a very wet start to the new garden, but at least it's a start. See you guys next week, where hopefully it'll be drier.